Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone runs Android 8 or newer and the Google app is updated. Next, enable microphone access for both Google and Assistant in app permissions so voice input works smoothly. After that, set the default Assistant app under Settings, Apps, Default Apps, Assist, and Voice Input. Choose Google Assistant. Once done, test a quick wake phrase to verify microphone access. This ensures the system is ready before we proceed to deeper configuration. Now you configure features for reliable control. Open the Google App settings. Go to Voice Match and train the voice model so the assistant recognizes you. This reduces false activations. Make sure to add preferred languages and enable offline speech recognition for poor network scenarios, and adjust speech output to brief or detailed. Then enable lock screen access and create routines and shortcuts so one command runs multiple actions. This speeds tasks. Once configured, finish by validating common commands. Place a call, send a message, start navigation, control media, and operate smart devices. If something fails, follow a quick troubleshooting sequence. Reboot the phone, confirm microphone permission, update the Google app, and clear its cache. These steps fix most issues. Make sure to retrain voice match and recalibrate or clean the microphone if recognition worsens. This often restores accuracy. Finally, practice a few multi-step routines so you know how voice control behaves in real use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.